Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women earring designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. So dear friends, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, and stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. If you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman earring designs, different color, different style, different ideas. So dear friends, other material like crochet women, other jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings, and feet jewelry like crochet women anklet designs and baby anklet designs. So dear friends, crochet baby crochet material like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby shoes designs, cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, crochet women full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, long dresses, bodycon dresses, crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, sweater designs, and many more things. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends, relatives. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.